A heat map is a visual representation of data in which individual values are depicted using color gradients. For example, here we have a heat map that shows the temperature of a city. By representing temperature variations with different colors, it helps visualize temperature distribution across different areas or time periods. Let's now see how to create a heat map in Excel. Suppose we have a data for temperature in a certain city. Now, we would execute the following steps to convert it into a heat map. Step 1. Select the data that needs to be converted. Here we select all data with temperatures. Make sure not to select the header row and column containing year and month names. Step 2. From the top ribbon, select conditional formatting and choose color scale option. You can choose different color options to highlight data trends. For example, applying green to the highest or lowest values helps represent normal, above normal, or below normal ranges effectively. We'll select the second option, marking higher temperatures in red for a warning effect and lower temperatures in green to indicate normalcy. Our data now has colors resembling a heat map. The next optional step is to remove data labels, leaving only the visual representation. Step 3. Select the data cells again, click, and choose Format Cells from the context menu. In the Format Cells window, select Custom from the category panel. Then, type or choose triple semicolons, and click OK to apply. With these easy steps, our heat map is ready. You can customize this by changing colors from Manage Colors option in conditional formatting. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share our videos.